In order to get this rust off the chrome, you're going to want to scrape it with something that's not going to scratch the surface, such as a piece of wood. You can get something more aggressive, but make sure you only scrape the rust with it, otherwise you'll scratch the surface. I'll try to get this rust off of here, and then put some clear coat on it to protect it. This is what it looks like after the first cleaning. And as you're doing this, keep it wet, and the rust is going to build up into like a thick mud kind of substance. You're going to want to rinse that off, so that way you don't scrape off any more chrome than you have to. And obviously where the rust is, the chrome's gone forever. So you can try to find some chrome like silver paint and carefully fill it in with a brush if you want. Here's what it looks like after going over it 2 times with the Meguiar's Ultimate Compound. Remember, this is just a repair. It's not going to be perfect. Here's what it looks like before. Do the clear coat. Make sure you tape it off. You don't want to put too much clear coat. Got 2 coats of clear coat over the area where the rust is. This is just a repair that will hopefully keep the rust that's already started from getting any worse. And the good thing too is it's in this area where this license plate holder thing is at, so it covers it up, so it's not really obvious. That's why I never noticed it until just now. You can obviously put more coats of clear if you want. I might do another one. Usually do 3 coats when I use clear. And then if it doesn't look that nice, it's kind of hard to do it with the Meguiar's because of the uneven surface from the rust sticking up. It'll tear up your pad that you use. But the thing that helps too is when you put down new clear coat, if it's not shiny, go over it with the Meguiar's on the pad. It'll bring out a really nice shine. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell.